it's Auret here. In this video, we're going to look at the 3 different ways that you can offer free shipping on your site, as well as what you need to consider. What are the pros and the cons of offering free shipping? So before I dive into the 3 separate ways on how to offer free shipping on Etsy, I want to first talk about what free shipping means for your store. So free shipping can be very beneficial to your store in terms of allowing your potential customers to find you, your store, and your listings. So offering free shipping makes your shop more competitive, especially in the holiday seasons or whenever someone's looking for a gift during a certain holiday. It makes it more competitive because customers on Etsy have the ability to filter by free shipping. So they have the ability to, on the platform, ask Etsy to show them only all listings that offer free shipping. And that's something that a lot of customers like. In fact, Etsy has announced that, they've found the stats showed that over 20% stores that offered free shipping generally had more than a 20% increase in their sales. So that's a really good thing. Now there's some things to consider when you're offering free shipping, but so far so good, right? The other thing that you need to be aware of is when a customer is browsing through listings, your listing, if you are offering free shipping, will have a small little free shipping badge on the listing. So that kind of stands out for customers. It's kind of like an added bonus, again, making your listings and your store more competitive and more visible. So free shipping definitely helps you be more discoverable. However, if you're not offering free shipping, that's okay too. Etsy does not anywhere insinuate that shops that don't offer free shipping are getting less visibility. They're not making that they're not saying that at all. They're just saying that it adds to your benefit, especially if customers are looking for free shipping specifically. Your listings will be more discoverable that way. Before running a free shipping promotion, it's important to consider your margins, your profit margins, because if you're not going to be profiting on your item, then there's no point. Why try to make the sale with a free shipping promotion if you're not at the end of the day going to make profits on that item? So it's really important for you to understand the costs of what goes into making your item, the costs of all of your materials, as well as the fees that Etsy takes as well. I did a separate video on that, going into detail about how much it costs to sell on Etsy. I'm going to put a link to that in the description below so you can get a better understanding. If you haven't already watched that video, I highly recommend watching it. So you got to include those costs, all of the fees, the product material costs to make that item, any sort of marketing costs. So if you're running ads, your salary, any discounts or promotions that you are also running, factor all of that stuff in to see if you are able to do a free shipping promotion. If that is something that you can do, then you can kind of treat the free shipping cost as a cost for acquiring a new customer, if that makes sense. And what you can also play around with is factoring in that cost. So adding a little bit extra, adding the shipping cost onto the prices of your items so that you can kind of account for that as well. It includes the shipping, and then offering a free shipping sale on top of that. That's something that we've played around with in our store too, and it's worked to our benefit. We've seen an increase in sales. It kind of depends on what it is that you're selling though, and your particular market and how unique your items are and all that kind of stuff. Because if you are selling something that a lot of other people are also selling and their prices are quite competitive, then raising your prices to include those shipping costs might not exactly work in your favor. The whole thing is, though, you got to test, but as long as you're making profits at the end of the day, then you can play around with these free shipping promotions. So there's 3 ways to offer free shipping on your Etsy store. The first way is to run a store-wide sale. So you can run a sale on your entire store offering free shipping on all of your listings. And the way that you do that is in the back end in your dashboard. Go to Marketing, and then Sales and Coupons. Then click on the top right corner. It says New Special Offer. And then you'll come to this page here that you can set up a special offer to run a sale on your store. This is, like I said, a site-wide sale. So if you want to offer all of your customers, absolutely everyone who is visiting your Etsy store, free shipping, then this is what you can do. And it's really easy. You just click on Run Sale, and you select free standard shipping. You can decide whether you want to do domestic, only on domestic orders. Again, keep in mind those profits. Make sure you're still profiting at the end of the day. Typically, for international orders, it'll cost you more in terms of shipping. So it might be safer to just check this box and say, and ask Etsy to only run the sale on domestic orders only. So you can do that. You can also set a minimum to qualify. So if you want to offer your customers only free shipping if they order 3 items at once, or if they order 5 items at once, you can do that. You can set it by a quantity or an order total. They really help you. These options are really to help you, again, still make profit at the end of the day. So you need to factor in those numbers. You can set a duration for the sale, any terms and conditions, and also you can name the sale. So that is the first way. The second way to offer free shipping is by creating a coupon, a free shipping coupon that you will only give to select customers. So this can be enticing if, for example, for every customer that already placed an order with you, you want to give them a little bit of a gift at the end of their customer journey. Once they've received the item and it's been delivered to them, you maybe want to send them a message at the end saying, as our thank you for being our customer, here is a free shipping coupon on your next order. So creating a coupon is something that you may want to do if you only want to offer specific customers or specific people a free shipping offer. And again, you do that from the same place, except now you'll go to all the way to the right here where it says create a coupon. And when you click on that, again, it'll ask you to fill out certain things. You just select free standard shipping and all of the same sort of options as before with duration and that kind of thing. Something really cool too, you can ask Etsy to automatically send this coupon to customers as a thank you. So you can check the box here that says, yes, automatically email this coupon to buyers 24 hours after you've marked their order as complete. Also really cool. And once you put in a coupon code here, that is something that you can also verbally give to people. You know, if you're selling your products at a fair or some sort of market or anything like that, you can have a sign that gives them the free shipping coupon so that they'll come back to your store online and use that free shipping to purchase an item. Now, the third way to offer free shipping on your store would be to create a separate free shipping profile. Now, this can be done in the settings of your store. So if you go into the dashboard, go to settings, then go to shipping profiles, you'll come to a page that looks like this with all of the different shipping profiles that you offer. A shipping profile is basically a specific setting for your item. So you can set a specific shipping setting to a particular listing or item in your store. And you can also reuse that same shipping profile for other listings in your store as well. And whatever you set within these shipping profiles will be shown to the customer when they're at checkout. So why would you want to create why would you want to go with this option of creating a free shipping profile as opposed to the other options of running a site-wide sale, free shipping sale, or creating a coupon? This option is for if you want to offer free shipping on certain items only. So this is what will allow you to offer free shipping on that one specific item in your store or 3 specific items in your store. Because if you offer free shipping on anything else in your store, you just won't make a profit. So for these items, the cost is less for these items, then you can offer free shipping on these specific items. So to create a new shipping profile, at the bottom, scroll down to the bottom of the shipping settings page and you'll see add a shipping profile. So when you click on that, you'll be asked to enter a bunch of information, and so you'll fill out, shipping costs, where do you ship the packages from, that kind of thing. And when you come down here to free shipping, it'll ask you, do you want to offer buyers a free shipping option for this item, right? So you can select either, yes, you want to offer them free domestic shipping or free international shipping, or both. You can check both. And then you can name this profile free shipping, right? And then when you go to list a new item or go to edit an existing item in your store, you just can add this free shipping profile within that listing. And that way it connects the listing to the free shipping profile that you are able to offer for that particular item. So those are the 3 main ways to offer free shipping on your store, and it really depends what you want to do. Do you want to offer a store-wide sale? Then you can go ahead and create that in the sale. You can create a free shipping sale. If you want to only give it to specific customers by creating a coupon and controlling who has access to free shipping, then you can create a coupon for that. If you only want to offer free shipping on certain items because you'll still be able to make profit on those items even if you're running free shipping sale, then you can go ahead and create the free shipping profile. So I hope that clears things up for you guys. Let me know if you have any more questions by leaving them in the comments down below. I'll also link to a few other helpful Etsy videos on this channel, so you can go ahead and check out those links in the description below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Etsy tutorials. I'm just going to keep them coming because you guys have been telling me that this is very helpful. So far, I've talked a lot about Etsy fees. I've given some tips on how to make more sales in your Etsy store and how to properly fix up your store. And it's all been because of your suggestions and your questions. So keep them coming. Let me know what you want to learn, and I'd be happy to dive into that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Back from the dead.